Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Zanussi brand washing machine and you're getting an error E66 and you're wondering what is this error and how can I get rid of it. So first of all, the E66 error is an error within the elements that heat the water. So it could be the heater itself, it could be some of the components, could be the sensor, it could be the wiring, and it could even be the control board that's controlling all that. Bad news is there's not an easy fix. Good news is there's a kind of a workaround I'll talk about in just a second. But so because it's not localized and it's probably some kind of part that needs to be replaced, it really should be a professional that comes and looks at your washing machine. However, while you're waiting for that professional to come, one thing you should be able to do is with this error is you should be able to run cold cycles. So you should be able to wash your clothes on cold cycles until you get your washing machine fixed. And one other thing that I would do before I even called a technician or anything like that is to just try to do a hard reset on the washing machine. So turn it off and then cut power to it completely for a full minute, either by unplugging it from the wall or turning it off at the circuit. Once you've cut power to it, wait a minute, restore power, turn it on, try to run a cycle, and see if that error doesn't come back. So anyways, hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.